Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Right here I'm going to take this box that I have and I'm going to make like a Christmas house with it, so to speak, where you do the little compartments. And in the beginning I didn't like the way it was coming out, but toward the end it came out really cute. So I'm having a little rough time here, but I'm going to cut the ends off of the box, all sides of the box and the ends of the box, and I'm going to glue down the center of it and then begin to add little compartments so I can add little Christmas sceneries and lights to the box. And here, I'm just, like I said, cutting it off. And please, and this is crafting, I'm sorry, I should have said that first. This is Crafting My Way. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so every time I do a video you guys will be notified. So this is the box here, and like I said, I will kind of glue down the center of it so I can begin to add the little shelves or little compartments, I should say, in the center of it. It wasn't too bad. And I did decide to go out and spray paint it when I finished with it. Okay, now, and this is some wood glue that I got from the Dollar Tree. And right here, I cut up some cardboard and put it in to make the shelves for the compartment. And I did lose footage on this. I did take it outside and spray painted it with some brown spray paint, the 2X that I got from Home Depot. The top I did spray it with a little of the instant snow that I got from the Dollar Tree. And here I'm going to put I have some little Christmas craft paper that I'm going to put, and I'm going to add other Christmas little ornaments that I got to the compartments. Like I said, I did lose footage when I was placing the different Christmas items onto the shelves, but you will see it later. And this is the crafting paper that I have. So I'm measuring it now so I can cut it out and put some of the crafting papers in there, my craft papers, some paper in the back of it. And so I would just cut it down and glue it and just add it onto the back of the walls, so to speak. And some of it I did paint the back of some of it, and then some I just added the crafting paper. And here I'm drying it with my heat gun. It don't look so great now, but toward the end I thought it came out really cute, because I really wasn't liking the way it looked in the beginning. It looked almost like I could have had it as a scary house, a haunted house for Halloween, but toward the end it does come out cute for me. And like I said, I did lose the footage on some of it where I spray painted it, and also where I was adding the other items to it. And this is the finishing of the house, and I have it lit up here with the lights that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I have the little Christmas tree there, and I thought it came out so darn cute. And I don't know whether you can see up close here. This is a closer version of it. I like this, and you can see the things that I put inside the house. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.